Hello, my dear students. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you about the expansion. I have taken the reference of this book, Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal, class 9th. There is chapter 3, the expansion chapter, and formulae are there. There are mainly 15 formulae, but what you have to do, you write all the formulae in one page only, in one page, and when you do the exercise, you keep this page in front of you, and then when you do the questions, you see the formula means which formula you have to apply, and then during the means when you are solving the question, then you must write the formula in the copy, whether it is you have the formula in the page, but you have to write in your copy with the question ki which formula you are applying, because formula you cannot learn. There are the applications of the formula. So many applications of the formula, you cannot learn the formula. Only you can understand and how to learn it. Very simple. When you write the formula which you are applying in the question, and write properly at every step. Suppose the same formula you are using in the first question and second question, you have to write in first question as well as in the second question. Then there will be no problem at all. Means you can learn by heart the formula, means without cramming like this, a plus b whole square is equal to this, a minus b whole square. You cannot learn means इस तरह से कभी learn कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि because there are the applications, and how to apply this I'll tell you. One thing, the formulae are there: a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Sometimes students writes a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square minus 2ab. Well, sometimes, to some students. So that is wrong. With it square, अगर कोई whole square है, whole square, then with square quantity there will be no minus sign. Individual it will be minus. Like 2ab में है तो a अलग है, b अलग है, तो in that case you can take minus. That is why the minus comes. Minus 2ab. But a square, b square both will be in plus. जहां पे square होगा चाहे वो minus लगा ही हो, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. So these are the two formulae, basic formulae that you have read in class 8. I taken two examples here. 2x minus 3y whole square. So just you recall the formula. 2x minus 3y means the minus sign is there. So it means that a minus b whole square will be used. इसमें a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is equal to formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? And after this, you in place of a, 2x you write 2x whole square, in place of this plus sign, in place of b 3y whole square, and minus sign is there. Then 2 into a means 2x and b means 3y. Clear? Then you simplify. 2x whole square, what is the meaning of whole square? That is means multiply the given number 2 times. Well, 2x into 2x. So that will be the 4x square. So it will be 4x square. It will be 9y square. And 2 to the 4, 3 is the 12. 12x into y, that is xy minus. Sometimes students does like this. 2x square, 3y square. मतलब 3 को square नहीं करते. जबकि square जो whole square होता है, this is with all the elements. with all the digits, जो भी अंदर लिखी गई है मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो power will multiply to all the digits in the power. 3 to the power 1, that is 2 also, 3 square y square, that is 9y square. So this is the answer. This one is the answer. Thereafter I have taken the one more example, that is 5x plus 3y whole square. तो ये अब किसका होगा? तो in that case it will be a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a, write the 5x whole square. In place of b, write the 3y whole square plus sign. 2a means 5x, b means 3y. Okay, then 5x whole square, that is 25x square, 9y square, and 5 2s are 10 3s are 30x square. This is the simple way that you can do. Next, I take some more examples of the same exercise, that is 3.1. Because the questions are given so many questions, but I will take some different questions here. Like third question, 1 by 2x. Question number 3, second part, 1 by 2x minus 3 by 2y whole square. This is a minus. This is minus. It means you will use here a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. You have to write the formula. अगर फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे लगातार, then you will not get confusion in any question. तो in place of a, that is 1 by 2x, तो x by 2 whole square plus in place of b 3 by 2 y whole square minus 2 into in place of a x by 2 and y 3y by 2. Then simplify. So what you will get? X square by 4 plus 9y square by 4 or 1 2 cancelled. Okay, minus 3 by 2 x into y. How to write the means when you multiply the digits and the variable, what you will write the first the sign, then digits and then variables. ये इसका मेथड होता है, तो you can apply the same way. So this is the answer. This one is the answer. Clear? Now the next, if I tell you the questions based on the a plus b plus c whole square, जो बहुत अच्छा फॉर्मूला है, a plus b plus c whole square. Question number 6 is there, 5 and 6 is there. So question number 6, 2x plus 3 by x minus 1 whole square. You have to expand this, but before that, which formula you will apply? Because there are the 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. It means you have to apply this formula a plus b plus c whole square. ये formula apply. And what is the expansion of this? A square plus b square plus c square. Clear? सबका स्क्वायर ले लें. Whether it is minus, अब हम यही पे बता दें कि this is minus 1, but you will get minus 1 whole square मतलब plus 1. स्क्वायर के साथ कभी भी माइनस नहीं होता, नेवर. ओके, then plus 2 and a into b plus b into c plus c into a, मतलब 2 times ab, 2 times bc and 2 times ac. In this part you have to take precaution while you multiply. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे माइनस साइन का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि these are the different numbers, individual variable, there is no square. Now how to apply this one? In place of a, put the 2x whole square. In place of b, 3 by x whole square. In place of c, minus 1 whole square. Plus 2, big bracket. In place of a, 2x into b means 3 by x. plus b means 3 by x into minus 1. Clear? मतलब you have to put the value with sign. अगर साइन नहीं रखेंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. Then plus c means minus 1 into a means 2x and big bracket. Simplify this. This is 4x square. This will be in plus. यहां तक ये प्लस मिलेगा. Plus 9 by x square plus 1. Clear? Then plus 2 ये वाला and big bracket. This x is cancelled because in the numerator and denominator, what you will get? 2 3s are 6. This one minus sign is there, so minus plus minus 3 upon x. This again the minus sign, so minus 2x and big bracket. Now simplify more. Write always the answer in the simplest form. So 2 you multiply inside the bracket, 4x square plus 12 minus 6x minus 4x. Okay, 2 को यहां भी multiply, 2 को यहां भी multiply, and 2 को यहां. Means you have to multiply this 2 in every element inside the bracket. Don't multiply the 2 in numerator as well as in denominator. Do not multiply like this, क्योंकि sometimes the students do. Now, this is not in simplest form. Why? Because this 1 and this 12 you can add. Others you cannot add because these are the different terms, different variables, different terms. But these two you can add. तो जो भी add सकते हैं वो add कर लें. तो you will get the simplified answer 9 by x square. And first you write the means the जो भी है variables लिख दे तो ज्यादा better है, एक बार में आ जाएंगे. And plus 30. This is the answer. Understood? तो इस तरह से ये आंसर निकाले जा सकते हैं. Now the next one, based on the cubes. Cube के formula, the formula of cube also a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. Directly you can put like question number here, 9 is there. 5x minus 3y whole cube. How to find? First of all, you should know the formula of a minus b whole cube. तो अगर हम फॉर्मूले लिखें तो a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Simple. पहले a cube, a का cube minus b cube minus 3 inside product of a into b and in bracket a minus b. Everywhere minus sign is there. And if you want to write the a plus b whole cube, for example, then just change minus into plus. जहां जहां minus लगे वहां plus कर दे. तो it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab and a plus b. Simple. मतलब अगर हमको a plus b का whole cube का formula if you know, you can get the formula of a minus b whole cube. क्योंकि प्लस को माइनस करना है या माइनस को प्लस करना, तो in that case you can do. Now apply this formula. So what you will get in place of a 5x whole cube minus 3y whole cube minus 3 5x into 3y. Don't put the minus sign again क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला ही माइनस का चलता है. तो don't put the minus sign again. Don't take the minus sign again with b because this is the formula of minus sign. Minus 3y. What you will get? That is 3 times multiply 5x into 5x into 5x. So 125x cube 27y cube minus 45xy and 5x minus 3y. You can leave the 45. You can leave the answer here. Otherwise, you can multiply this part into this one. ये भी कर सकते हैं. तो you can multiply or you can leave the answer here. So this is the formula of expansion of a minus b whole cube. नेक्स्ट जो टॉपिक है, इन दैट केस यू हैव टू सिंप्लीफाई. सिंप्लीफाई मीन्स द यूजिंग वन मोर फॉर्मूला इज देयर एंड दिस फॉर्मूला इज वेरी सिंपल and you have used everywhere in the class 8, that is a minus b means a plus b into a minus b. This one, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This simplification also is there. तो जैसे भी सिंप्लीफाई करना हो उस तरह से करना है. तो how to simplify, like question number 10 second part is there, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Clear? You can apply this formula, but if you don't want to apply, then just you expand this. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. But when you have the minus sign before the bracket in any number, then you must be alert, क्योंकि minus sign ही सब प्रॉब्लम करता है. If minus sign is there and bracket is there and you have to expand, then just put the bracket before the after the minus sign. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now this minus sign you take inside and change the sign. As you know, when minus sign is multiplied, so it will be changed like this. This will be minus, this will be minus, this will be plus. So minus b square minus a square becomes it. Okay. And 2ab, that is equal to 4ab. This is the simplified form of this question. तो इस तरह से simplified form आ सकते हैं. You can get some more questions are there, but directly you can do one question, a square minus b square and is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Question number 13 is there. 2x minus 3 by x into 2x plus 3 by x. As I told, a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, this is the formula. Just I told. Means this is the form of the left hand side. You have to change into the right hand side. Simplified form. So it will be 2x whole square minus 3 by x whole square. If you multiply these two, you will get the same thing. 4x square minus 9 by, this is the simplified form. This is the answer. So you can do some more questions in this exercise, but I'll tell you the next day in the next part of the video. That is the other questions based on the some more new formulae and more the you can say the new method, new ways to solve such type of questions. So keep on watching, follow the Study Bright channel. You will get the latest notification and some more things about your study. Thank you.